You have been searching the whole internet for the perfect Midjourney prompt, but there's a way to create image with Midjourney without even typing a single word. That is using emoji. You can get some crazy looking images that are not always perfect, but you're gonna get some super creative art. Let's start. If you don't know how to join the Discord server, you can check on the other videos in the internet. So here in my emoji. So here is in the right corner you see this emoji. You just click and you can select any emojis you want to create the image. So it's simple, like same slash then imagine from the Midjourney. Then first I will choose penguin. So we'll press enter. We wait till the image is formed. So here we get this emoji. Again, 4 different types of penguins are formed. The fourth one looks very creative. So let's move to the next emojis. In the second one, we will write imagine. Then we will give some emojis like penguin plus butterfly and enter. So here we see wow, it's very creative. See, even without writing a single word, you see this one, third one, it's very creative. The fourth one is not that appropriate to emojis. First one simply look like birds. So let's move to the third emojis. So in third, we will do a policeman, maybe. Then tiger. And a car. Enter. We wait for the result. So here we go. And this was not so good, but it's okay. Like tiger is wearing the policeman caps. The car is missing, or maybe it's inside the car. So this was the one. It's okay without using a single word. You're getting that much creative. So we move to the next part. Imagine we will give like money. Then here we give another happy face man. Then box. We give a box. And we'll give some more another. That's it. With this 4 emoji what it is formed. So image is formed. Let's go and yeah, that's nice. We get a man with the counting money. Then there is no box maybe. In the first image it has formed a box of printing money. The second one looks very creative. The third one is also good. So we move to the last one. We will use like pineapple, then watermelon with one text. Cyber red. So like this you can form many other beautiful images only with emojis without typing a single word. So if you want to learn more like this, please subscribe to our channel, and thank you. Take care. Have a good day.